my bedroom. It's exactly 3 meters by 3 meters, and I've got a king size bed. Now, the bigger the bed, the better you sleep, but there's a limit as to how big the bed can actually be in your room, because you want to have bedside tables, and also you want to have as much space as possible around the bed to make you feel nice in your bedroom. This bedroom doesn't allow me to have a wardrobe because I chose a bigger bed because I'm prioritizing sleep, but the bed has got storage inside where I keep my clothes all neatly inside boxes, and other stuff like the iron, the gym equipment, bottles of water, and other stuff I don't necessarily want to have on display. The bedroom is set up in such a way with dark walls, dark ceilings, and blackout blinds because sleeping is a priority, and one of my favorite features of this bedroom is that I can make it completely black. When you're sleeping in a bedroom that is pitch black, you actually sleep really, really well. So I'd recommend that you try that. Blackout blinds, dark walls, makes all the difference.